the island of talking animals. Sophie and Leo were best friends and passionate explorers, always on the lookout for new adventures. One sunny Saturday, they decided to take their small boat out to the shimmering lake near their village. As they rowed, a sudden gust of wind carried them farther than they had ever gone before. Beyond the familiar shores, a misty island appeared on the horizon. Intrigued, they decided to explore. When they reached the island, they noticed something peculiar. The trees seemed to sway in rhythm as if whispering secrets to one another. As they ventured further, Sophie heard a soft voice calling her name. "Did you hear that?" she asked, gripping Leo's arm. Before Leo could answer, a squirrel appeared on a low-hanging branch. But this was no ordinary squirrel. It wore a tiny scarf and spectacles. "Welcome to the island of talking animals," it said, bowing slightly. Leo and Sophie stared in amazement. "Talking animals?" Sophie finally managed to say. "Indeed," said the squirrel. "I'm Professor Nutters. Follow me. There's much to show you." They followed Professor Nutters into a clearing where animals of all kinds gathered. Parrots debating philosophy, turtles playing chess, and rabbits reading books aloud. In the middle of the gathering stood a wise old lion with a golden mane. He introduced himself as King Rorwick. "We don't usually reveal our island to humans," the lion explained, "but we sense kindness in your hearts. Perhaps you can help us with a problem." The king described a mysterious shadow that had been stealing the animals' food during the night. Sophie and Leo immediately agreed to investigate. With the help of a clever fox named Finn and a chatty parrot named Polly, they tracked the shadow to a hidden cave near the beach. Inside, they found a mischievous monkey hoarding food for a massive celebration. The friends convinced the monkey to share the food and helped organize a grand feast for all the island's inhabitants. The animals cheered, and the island was filled with laughter and music. King Rorwick declared Sophie and Leo honorary members of the island's community. As they sailed back home, Sophie and Leo couldn't stop smiling. They knew they would never forget their magical adventure on the island of talking animals.